Have you ever heard of gamer dent? It's this thing where you see wait, I gotta get the light on it. I gotta get there. You see? It's there on the thing. And then you see like how it's this side is pushed in. That's because of headphones. So that's. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this short and simple because you already know I said. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this short and simple because I already told you what this all is. Part one. If you didn't see that, it's that. Go there now and then come back. And please enjoy video. Be free, my boy. Be free. Be free. Yes, go to your home. Go to your home. This part here getting all blue and shit. I don't know if you can see, but it's like we get like a straw color there. It moves into like kind of a purple and then the blue. It just changes color as it gets hotter. I don't know why. That's just what it does. That's kind of neat. Actually, I do know why. It's oxidation. So the same thing that makes it rust. I guess with the heat, I don't know how the chemicals work or whatever, but it oxidizes that blue or that purple or that straw depending on how hot it is. And like this here is also oxidation. It's just the same thing that rust is, but different though. Completely different, but still the same. Anyways, this guy is like, yeah, that hurts. This is pretty hot. Like, not in a good way either. Like, not in the way that makes your pee-pee hard, but like in the way that makes your skin come off your hand. So, you know, hey, it's doing a little sprinkle tinkle on me. Okay, so this is what we take it out here. I think it's better in the natural light. You can see certain stuff. I'll zoom in, but like right there, the fuller needs ground out a little more, and then like up there too, you know, just a little bit further down. So before I get like completely done grinding the bevels, but you know, that's I'm pretty happy with that, honestly. What say you?
I dig it.
Diggy diggy hole, diggy diggy dong dang diggy. So anyways, that's what I got done on it. It sucks because I really wanted to get all of the bevels done with the angle grinder, because the angle grinder is kind of spooky. I kind of like chewed up my fingers with it multiple times in the past and like had to super glue myself back together. But I can only go up to Robbie's house on Saturdays most of the time, just because he lives like it's like just far enough away that it's inconvenient to go there like during the week after work or whatever. So I only really can work on this like once a week if I get to go up there and do that, because you know, we're adults and we got responsibilities and other shit going on. So you know, the next video might not be, you know, the part 3 of this. You know, the last video I did wasn't the part 2 of this. It was the Otakon one, which I was pretty proud of that video. I'm just saying, maybe go watch that too. But what I'm trying to say is, you know, next video might be part 3, might be different, but there's gonna be a part 3. So if you want that, just, you know, hit the subscribe thing and then you'll see it. Anyways, I'm a pretty little boy. I'm gonna go to the ball. Bye. What's going on? What's the end of the video now, Robbie? Say the ending.
The ending.
There you go.